doing today? Welcome back to On the Frets. We're going to continue with our sus chords, and today we're going to show you them off of the D string. So let's get in here and take a look at it. Alright, so we're going to do this off the G bar chord. So we're going to take our index finger and we're going to go from the D string down, and then we're going to take our ring finger and it's going to go on the G string of the 7th fret, and the pinky is going to go on the 8th fret B string. Now we're playing G sus2. So now then, if we take the ring finger and we lay it across the bottom 3 strings of the 7th fret, take our pinky, lay it across the bottom 2 strings of the 8th fret, now we're in G sus4. Then we go back, we're in G sus2. And then back to the G sus4. And one more time on the G sus2. Alright everybody, so there you have it, all the bar chords off of the D string. So for more information, check out the description below. And with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. And we'll see you guys soon.